Did you know that the world's largest car manufacturer, Toyota, originally started as a loom company? A surprising twist, isn't it? This intriguing fact is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the rich and storied history of this automotive giant. In the late 19th century, Sakichi Toyoda, the founder of Toyota, was not making cars, but rather he was revolutionizing the textile industry. His invention, the automatic loom, was a game changer, and it was this innovation in 1924 that laid the foundation for the Toyota we know today. After seeing the potential in automotive manufacturing, Kiichiro Toyoda, Sakichi's son, took a leap of faith and started the automotive department within Toyota Automatic Loom Works in 1933. This marked the beginning of Toyota's automotive journey. Just 5 years later, in 1938, Toyota rolled out its first passenger car, the Model AA. This was a significant milestone that set the pace for the company's future direction. Fast forward to the 50s, and Toyota had already begun making waves internationally. In 1957, Toyota exported its first car, the Crown, to the United States, marking its entrance into the global market. The 70s saw Toyota reaching new heights with the introduction of the Corolla in 1966, which would go on to become the best-selling car worldwide by 1974. This period also marked Toyota's expansion into luxury vehicles with the launch of the Lexus brand in 1989. Fast forward to the 21st century, and Toyota is not just surviving, but thriving. The company has embraced the green revolution, launching the Prius, the world's first mass-produced hybrid vehicle, in 1997. Today, Toyota stands as a testament to innovation and resilience, leading the charge in eco-friendly vehicles and continuing to push the boundaries of automotive technology. To recap, this journey began with an automatic loom in the late 19th century, transformed into an automotive venture in 1933, and led to the release of the first passenger car in 1938. Toyota made its global debut in the 50s and introduced the world's best-selling car, the Corolla, in the 70s. The company then ventured into luxury vehicles with Lexus in the 80s and pioneered the hybrid revolution with the Prius in the 90s. Today, Toyota is a global leader in the automotive industry, known for its innovative and eco-friendly vehicles. This fascinating journey of Toyota, from a loom company to the world's largest car manufacturer, is a testament to its commitment to innovation, resilience, and relentless pursuit of excellence. And that, dear listeners, is the remarkable story of Toyota.